And hello again, it's me here, Shenell, again from Angelic Interior Designs, and we are in the laundry room once again. And excuse this, but I want to tell you, or I want to talk about keeping those beautiful white tiles nice and pristine white. There is some ingredients that you can use to keep your nice and beautiful white tiles, and as I said before, it's just my opinion, but everybody does not like white tiles. I myself, for me personally, I do use white tiles. I use them all the time, and I like to keep them nice and white, fluffy and soft. And there's a few items that I'm going to talk about today that I use in my laundry room and for my laundry to keep my whites nice and bright and white. Here are the items you will need. You will need some simple household salt, your measuring cups, lemon juice, and a bottle of water. And if you want to use the vinegar, you can use the vinegar as well. This is where you will take your mixture and mix 1 part lemon juice to 2 parts water. You want to add the water to take down the acidity that is in the lemon juice because you don't want to damage your machine. And as you can see here, I poured the lemon juice mixture in my pre-wash slot, and I poured still using my washing detergent in the regular wash slot. My particular machine, it has these different settings. I normally, on the towels, I use the sanitary cycle on here because it does produce steam as well, and it also goes to the extra hot water, not just regular hot water, but extra hot. Before in the previous clip, and before when I put the towels in the laundry using the lemon juice and water mix with a little salt, and the salt is good again for the chloride that is in the salt, and it will help to add that extra additive instead of bleach to brighten those whites with the lemon juice as well. And then you get your nice fluffy white towels after they have dried. And then you want to bring them over to your folding table and fold them up nice and pretty. And I will show you here how I fold my towels. And there's, of course, so many different ways that one could fold their towels. I'm just going to show you my tip on how I fold towels, and I keep them nice and neat in my linen closet. So here, after we have most of the towels, I still have some in the dryer over here, but you take your nice bright white towels, and as you can see, the lemon juice does an excellent job in keeping your towels nice and fluffy. Not only fluffy, and you can apply the vinegar as well, it helps to make them nice and soft. I don't normally use fabric softener on my towels. It causes them to not have as good absorbency. Once you get out the shower or your bath, it doesn't absorb the water once you're putting it on your skin to pat dry. It doesn't absorb as well when you use fabric softener. For my towels, I like to do sometimes I do just a 1 single fold and a fold over. And you keep folding them just the same way. And tri-fold. And I'll fold it once, twice. Same thing for the braided area, just in case if you have those towels that have that little detail right there on the front, and you'll want to keep that so that you can see it in the front if that is your delight. And you just keep on folding all your nice bright white towel. You have a nice stack of your nice, beautiful, clean, pristine white towels to look at and to use for your upcoming baths. And thank you for joining me, Shenell here with Angelic Interior Designs, and these few tips on keeping your beautiful white towels nice and pristine and white. This is just a quick tip, again, from me, Shenell at Angelic Interior Designs, and I'll see you in the next one.